Hold on.
Dude, don't say it on camera. We'll drug test you for sure tomorrow. Ready?
Yep, let me earplug it. Alright, boys. Oh, shit!
Yeah!
Archer's gone! That's fucking awesome!
There was a washing machine there.
Out there. Even we had cheers back there. Look, there's a door over there. There's a piece went back that way.
There's a piece. There's a piece way down the hillside over
Way down
there.
the hill.
There's one. Oh boy.
Santa's gone. Hey.
It's completely. There's a piece of the motor left.
I have nothing left to scrap.
Look at all the leaves. Everything's gone from here now. Everything is gone.
And there's what's left of the washing machine.
Santa Claus. There's a piece of Santa Claus.
Santa.
Poor Santa. The damn angel is still there.
She took one to the
Took
frame.
one to the frame now. Is that like that? I don't think so.
No, it wasn't.
The lid went above the trees because we were sitting there laughing and the lid came down.
Yeah, and then another there.
And that's way the fuck over there. Anything in the
Don't see nothing over there.
Alright boys, how long till it gets uploaded?
There is nothing.
We're having trouble finding pieces of the large sugar.
I don't think there's
Where's
a
the
wash.
back plate though? Is that it over there? That can't be it. That was spectacular. It was loud in my ear.
Yeah. That was the fucking best thing I've ever seen, I think. All you can see was just shit flying everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah.
I don't doubt that.
There's another piece of the front.
Another piece of the front. This has to be the rest of the front.
There's just one little container of tannerite. It's legal, isn't it?
Technically. We mixed them all and they were all individual, but we put them all in the washer. That's our story.
That's our story and we're sticking to it.
This is how fucking far we are.
I don't know what that one is.
over there somewhere. There's the blast radius right here. Yeah. So we were well within the blast radius. Good for us. Wow. Good for us.